they have this really fun film that's up for release this weekend, coming weekend. Right after Katti Batti. You want to recover from that, then you go watch Time Out. Why Time Out? The significance of the title.
Because Time Out is it's a sports term, and you usually take a time out when you need to stop, rethink, re-strategize, and move ahead when you're falling behind in the game. And so that's when you take a time out. So this film is all about taking a time out from your life, rethinking all these prejudices and all these rules that everybody keeps throwing at you, and just stopping and asking a question: why? Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to be told how to dress? Why do I have to be told who I am? Everybody, we've gone to like a lot of schools now. I was trying to count, and everywhere, every school, we've met at least 50 kids who stood up and said, "मैं engineering करूँगा. पहले मैं science लूँगा, फिर मैं IIT जाऊँगा, फिर मैं IIM जाऊँगा, फिर मैं सोचूँगा जिंदगी में क्या करना है." Why? पापा ने बोला नहीं करोगे तो थप्पड़ पड़ेगा.
I want to ask you guys, what was that one scene in retrospect from the film that much as you tried, you guys just couldn't get right?
We were doing the scene when I catch his little dirty secret, and I'm supposed to walk in and I'm supposed to open the door and I'm supposed to look at Pranay and be like, what the, and step back and just run away.
What are the issues of the film that you guys actually relate with as youngsters yourself? Stuff that you feel and you're like, thank God someone's finally talking about it.
Okay, so that's our tagline. मैं बच्चा हूँ, मैं बेवकूफ नहीं. Everyone can relate to that because at some point in time, your parents have told you, तुम चुप रहो, तुम छोटे हो.
For me, it was the moment because I always wanted to be an actor from the very beginning. But because my parents wanted me to do CA and I got lost somewhere in between. Did you? I was pursuing CA while doing BCom honors. So after doing the film, I sort of understood, and that's what we talk about in the film, freedom of expression, as to how you have the right to express. You have a mind of your own. You know what you have to do. So you should talk about it to your parents. Open a dialogue. There should be a conversation. Only then your life will be sorted. So after doing the film, I sort of understood how important freedom of expression is and how unknowingly even I lacked in expressing what I really wanted to do right from the beginning, even though I did. But then, like me, there are my friends who go through the same thing. So yeah, that's one thing that I could relate to.
Why should we watch your movie?
Because I directed it and these guys are acting in it.
Also, one more reason why this film will take you back to your school days. You will remember your teenage crushes, the first kiss you had in school, and all that drama jo hua tha.
The important takeaway from this one is that you want to catch Time Out on the 25th of September. So you guys make sure you do that. I'll be back soon enough. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye-bye.